In last period, we have learned about angle sum property, right? The measurement of the sum of three angles of a triangle, sum of three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? As well as about quadrilateral, the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now we are going to learn about exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, the formula is the measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of sides. So same way, if we are going to find out number of sides, so number of sides is equal to 360 upon the measure of each exterior angle. By using those two formula, we will try to understand exercise number 3.2. Okay, now see the exercise 3.2. Example number 1. Find x in the following figure. Okay, see the first given figure. (125 degree) angle x 125 degree. See in the given figure, how many exterior angles we have? 3, right? So we can say, as per the formula of exterior angle, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to how many degree? 360 degree, right? So how many exterior angle we have over here? 1, 2, 3, right? So 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, right? Now 125 plus 125, 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 250, 110 degree. Got it? So all of you understood how to solve it? Sure. Okay, let's go with the second B example. The same. See the figure first of all. (70 degree) x, here it is a right angle. 60 degree, it is also what? Right angle, right? So total how many exterior angle? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 5. Got it? So see, it's right angle, so definitely its exterior is also what? Right angle, right? Because why? It's a pair of supplementary. It is symbolized what? Right angle. So what's the measurement of it? 90 degree as well as 90 degree. Got it? So now same way, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, see the 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. See, already I have explained you over here, right? It's a right angle, so its exterior is what? 90 degree, because why? It's a pair of supplementary, right? Yeah, pair of linear. Understood? Now let's see. 90 plus 70, 160 degree, right? Plus x plus 90 plus 60, 9 plus 6, 15. So 150 degree is equal to 360. Therefore, 160 plus 150, so 310 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 310 degree. So now 360 minus 310. So how many? 50 degree. Got it? So what's the value we got it over here? X is equal to 50 degree. So all of you understood? Sure. Now let's go with example number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Here number of sides are given, and on from it we have to find out number of measure of each exterior angle. Okay. Example number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Of first one 9 sides, second 15 sides. Now number of sides, see the first one, number of sides, n is equal to how many? 9 sides, right? Then after, what we have to do it? The sum of exterior angle. The sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree, right? Therefore, 360 degree upon how many? 9, right? So 9, how many are 36? 9 fours is equal to 40 degree. Got it? Same way, next one, 15 sides. The sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, which is common sentence, is equal to 360 upon 15, right? Now 360 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, so 15 twos are 30. So 6 minus 0, 6, 0. Now 15 fours are 60. So how many? So we can say, what is the measurement of each angle? Exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 24 degree. Therefore, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, regular given polygon, is equal to 24 degree. Got it? So all of you understood about it? Good. Now let's go with example number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides? What we have to find out over here? Sides. sides is equal to question mark, right? Regular polygon, that means what? It is a equiangular polygon, right? So sum of all the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, right? And what is given over here? Measure of exterior angle. Measure of an exterior angle is equal to how many degree? 24 degree, right? Therefore, number of angles is equal to 360 upon 24, right? So in the previous sum, already we have divided 360 upon 15. So we got it what? 24. So here 24 divided by 360. So what we get? 15, right? So we can say how many sides? 15 sides. Got it? Sure. Good. Now example number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? See here what is given? Interior angles, the measurement of interior. So first of all, what we have to do? From the interior angle, we have to find out the measurement of exterior. So therefore, exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165, right? So 10 minus, 0 minus 5 is not possible. So 10 minus 5, 7 is remain. So 10 minus 5, so 5. 7 minus 6, so 1. So we can say how many degree? 50 degree. The measurement of exterior angle is equal to how many degree? 15 degree. Now same formula. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon 15 degree. So is equal to 360 upon 15. That already we have performed again earlier, right? So 15, how many is that? 24. So we can say how many sides? 24 sides. Got it? So all of you understood? Sure? Good. Now let's go with the next example number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Let's try to find out. What is the question? It is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. See number of sides. So before that, what we have to do? Each exterior angle having a measurement how many? 22 degree, right? So therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 upon 22 degree, right? So 11 to the 22, 180 to the 360. So 180 upon 11, right? So the number of sides of a regular polygon must be a whole number, but 180 divided by 11. So 11 means 11, 11 to the 22, so 11 means 11. So 8 minus 1, 7, 0. Now 11 6 is 66. So 70 minus 66, so what? 4, right? 10 minus 6, so 4. So here we got it, the result in what decimal? Yeah, we can say in the improper, right? So we can say we don't have any regular polygon having a measurement of how many degree? 22 degree. Got it? Because here we won't got it about whole number. Understood? Okay, now let's go with the next one. B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? See, so to find out it, 180 minus 22 degree, right? So 180 minus 22, because why the interior angle, this measurement of an interior angle of a polygon is 22 degree. So then the measure of the exterior angle is what? 180 minus 22. So 0 minus 2 not possible. So 10, 7. So 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 2, 5, 1. So how many degree? 158 degree. Now number of sides is equal to 360 upon 158 degree, right? So 180 to the, as it is 79 to the, so 180 upon 79. So 180 upon 79. So 79 was the 79. 79 to the 9 to the 18. 8 1. 7 to the 14 plus 1 15. So 79 to the 158. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible. So 10 7, right? So 10 minus 8, so 2. 7 minus 5, so 2 0. So again here we got it, the reply, the answer in decimal, right? Not in whole number. Not in whole number. So we can say it is also not possible. So it also cannot be a be interior angle of a regular polygon. Got it? Now example number 6, last of the same exercise. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? The minimum number of sides of a polygon are 3, right? Triangle. Then and then only we get what? Close figure. So minimum sides how many? Minimum number of sides of a polygon is equal to 3. Suppose we talk about here regular polygon, means it's all the sides are what? Equal. When we can say it's a regular polygon, all the sides are equal. Yeah, equilateral triangle, right? So each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is how many degree? 60 degree. Therefore each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to how many degree? 60 degree. Then and then only we can say what? It is an equilateral triangle. So minimum possible interior angle of a polygon is equal to how many degree? 60 degree, right? Now see the second, what is the maximum? See, however we have a minimum, as it is, see that the sum of exterior angle and its corresponding interior angle is how many degree? 180 degree. Suppose corresponding, right? Exterior angle, the sum of exterior, out of them maybe one is exterior, suppose it's exterior and this, so what is the measurement of it? It's a pair of what? Linear. So what is the sum? 180 degree, right? And the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon, already we have learned about it, how many degree? 60 degree. So maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, right? So we can say therefore the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. So 180 minus 60, so 120 degree. So all of you understood? Sure. So here exercise 3.2 is finished, right? Now in next period we will learn about the different kinds of quadrilateral. Okay, bye.